Hi guys, so today we're gonna be reacting to Roblox Kaiju Universe Godzilla 2014's new footstep sounds from FalconeerX. Okay, let's go. Okay, I wanna hear it. Oh, hear it. Just a bit. I hope you guys can hear it. So cool, right? Okay, yeah. There's footsteps! That's so cool! And it disappears. That's so cool, guys. I forgot there were footsteps, and yeah. And why does it look like he got a remodel? Like, it does. Like, seriously, it does. But yes, it did get a remodel. For the first time. Not the second time. It just looks like new. A bit. But it's been remodeled like a long time ago. Yeah. So